Jain student, today we are going to discuss the another topic in the chapter government budget, that is capital receipt. Previous video we discussed about the revenue receipt. What is receipt? In this video we discuss about the capital receipt. Capital receipt cover those items which are non repetitive and non routine nature and lead to change in government financial liabilities and asset. Means we can say that capital receipt refer to those receipts which are either create liabilities or cause reduction in the asset of the government. They are non-recurring and non-routine in natures, and the receipt must be create liabilities for the government borrowing are capital receipt as they lead to an increase in the liabilities of the government. However, tax receipt is not a capital receipt as does not result in creation of any liabilities. Means कैपिटल रिसिप्ट वो रिसिप्ट होती हैं जो क्रिएट करती हैं लाइबिलिटीज़ एंड कॉस्ट इन द रिडक्शंस ऑफ गवर्नमेंट एसेट में, एंड द रिसिप्ट मस्ट कॉज अ डिक्रीज इन द एसेट रिसिप्ट फ्लो एंड स्केल ऑफ शेयर ऑफ पब्लिक इंटरप्राइजेस. कैपिटल रिसिप्ट इट लीड टू रिडक्शन इन द एसेट ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट. सो द मेन example, the capital receipt are market loan, external recoveries of loan advance, disinvestment. These are the example of the capital receipt. The receipt of the government which create liabilities and reduce asset are called capital receipt. And these receipt and the main component of such receipt are borrowing of different kinds, repayment of loan advanced by other parties. These receipts are classified under the following head. Means first borrowing, means first market borrowing, we can say borrowing are fund raised by the government to meet excess expenditure. Government open market, Reserve Bank of India, foreign government, international institution borrowing are capital receipt as they create liabilities for the government. So these include open market borrowing raised through the auctions and other instruction from the public. Other borrowing and loans means it include government borrowing from RBI, commercial bank and other financial institution, loan receipt from friendly foreign countries and international organizations. It also include recovery of loan advance from state government, union territory, foreign government and public sector enterprises bodies. Next, disinvestment means the receipts are not on account of parties disinvestment of the central government holding in the equity capital of selected public sector enterprises. This came into existence largely in the wake of new policy of economic liberalizations. Disinvestment means selling the share of the public sector enterprises held by the government. It is called public receipt because it reduces the asset of the government. Next, small saving, the comprised post office saving, post office time deposit, post office recurring deposit, national saving scheme, post office monthly income account, certificate, kisan vikas pat. All of these the example of the capital receipt. And other receipt also like this had so the net effect transaction occurring the under the funds are accounts such as railway reserve fund, telecommunication reserve fund, international reserve funds, so and public provident fund scheme, all these. Thank you.